Ganda, sexy, no?
Of their dreams. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. Ang labas na tawag kasi itong bagong gising. Wala mo lang magagaling sa boxing. Enjoy the night and happy Fiesta Kalapandayan. And this, Miss Gay, this my performance I dedicated to Trisha Bazar. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Billy.
Number 4.
Sabi nila, kung tunay ang maganda, sumunod ka sa kanila. Ha 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 ha. Nasa inyo na pong harapan ang tunay na anak ng CEO. Ha 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 ha. Ako nga po pala si Casey Mimi Shera, na nagmula sa Barangay Gordon Heights. Ha!
Bye.
It's not all about how big or fabulous your costume is, but it is all about how you give life, pride, and justice with it. Hi, hello, and mabuhay, Dapper Cats. I am your Super Serena Philippines and Super Serena Worldwide 2018, the longest running noontime show in Bulaga. I am Nicole Enciso Guevara, 24, proud to represent from the home of the most beautiful women in the world, Olongapo City, province of Zambales. And for tonight, bakit hindi niyo po subukang kiyawan at palakpakan na nag-iisa at tunay na kumangis ni Miss Liza Soberano. Saying, don't aim for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe in it will come. Not sure. Thank you and happy fiesta.
Wala po ba? Palakpakan dyan. Wala, I always believe that love is the real essence of life. Because that is a wonderful feeling that ladies and gentlemen, or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart. Ako po ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining, Loisa, and Dahlia. And I always believe si Biz, Amare, Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to...
Sa tibay ng lupa, ako'y nakagandig. Sa bigyan ng mundo, ako'y nagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapag. Puso kong matatag sa katotohanan. Hanggang isagad, ako'y nagpapagpapagpapagpapag.
Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is a fresh 21 years of stunner, all the way from the city of Balanga Rizal. My name is Alvin Hilario Ina, but for tonight, please allow me to carry the beautiful image of the one and only Sambales Pride.
Celebrating diversity, femininity, and equality. My name is Maria Carla Buscano, all the way from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City. Sa layo-layo ng aking pinanggalingan, isang hiyawan naman dyan. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the University of Cebu, cum laude.